Hello guys, today we're going to be performing a dryer vent cleaning. Welcome to DIY Repair Now. Read all the warnings, and during this video you will see one or more of these icons to help you do this repair safe. Okay, the first thing you got to do is disconnect the dryer and pull it out to be able to access to the back. Now, the difference in this dryer vent cleaning is that I'm dealing here with a hard pipe, with a hard vent. The vent that goes from the dryer to the vent that goes towards outside, which in this case it goes to the side of the house. And this is the other different thing from the other dryer vent cleaning videos that I have in my channel, that this one goes in the side. This is the two different things. And in this scenario, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to deal with this hard pipe, because this is the best vent for dryers, but is the one is really hard to deal with it in the field. Now, this is my dryer vent cleaning. If you want to get a dryer vent cleaning kit, there's gonna be one in the description of this video. It's gonna be a link in the description of this video, so just go and click the link and it's gonna take you to a dryer vent cleaning kit, which it's very affordable, and you can do it. You can do a dryer vent cleaning by yourself. Now, this is the way it works. This is the first stick. So I loose the drill to get it loose. With my hand, I don't put the drill in reverse because it can lose these pieces inside the pipe, and I don't want to take that risk. So as you see, I attached the second one, and just put the drill to turn clockwise and push it through. Now this is the third one, and as you see, I put it clockwise, and then I put my drill on it, and then with my left hand I push it through, and with the other hand I press the drill to fish it in the pipe. Now you gotta keep in mind, just try not to put the drill in reverse, and just use your hands to counterclockwise to get it loose from the stick, because if you put it in reverse and you don't pay attention at the speed of the drill, it can lose one of these pieces inside the dryer vent pipe. Now I fast forwarded this part because I don't want the video to be boring, but you get the idea. Now I'm going outside, and I'm gonna go ahead and use my ladder to put it against the wall, because like I told you at the beginning of the video, this vent goes into the side of the house. Now I got a couple videos where I'm doing a dryer vent cleaning where it goes on the other side of the house, but in the bottom, this one goes like I would say 12 feet from the ground, so I have to use my ladder. And the other videos that I have is where it goes to the roof, which if your vent goes to the roof, I recommend you to hire a professional, because you can fall from the roof, and you don't want that repair to be even worse than just having a dryer if you fell. Now, as you see me, I'm cleaning the dryer vent with my hand. You can use a brush too. I have a special brush for it, but this one, it was some land that it looked like it got wet, maybe rainwater or the humidity, but I was able to clean it with my hand. Very simple. It's always going to be a little bit left over, but you do the best you can, and just clean it enough for the flapper that you just see right there. It opens and closes every time the dryer is on. If you don't have the flapper, don't worry about it. If you might have the grill, it's like a little grill that goes in the access. So now I'm back inside, since I already cleaned the vent outside. And I'm gonna go ahead and keep adding the sticks into this line, goes through all the way to the other side, because I wanted to make sure that it reached the other side. As you see, I put about 6 sticks or something like that. I put another 3 right there. So total it was like 7. And you can see my stick went all the way through. You can see it in this picture. So I know for sure that the pipe is clean because the brush went all the way through. Now, once you got it all the way to the other side, you can get it out from the outside or you can push it back in here. Just make sure to be careful with the flapper outside. Have somebody to hold the flapper open into the brush goes through the pipe in the pipe again. So you have to be 2 people by doing this repair. Now, as you see, I'm just cleaning around, and I also clean this part of the hard tubing vent. That way this part is also clean. And at this point, I'm just gonna use just 1 stick should be enough for this. And like I said, this is the best vent that goes from the dryer to the vent in the house, but it's the one is really hard to work with because it can be bent and kink very easy. In my opinion, I don't like it. I hate it, but it's best for fire hazard. So I don't want to put the flexible one because the customer wants this one just to be on the safe side. But again, I find out that the flexible one works better because it's a less risk that you can create a kink. And with this one, if you made a bad move, you can kink the pipe. So it doesn't matter if it's the best material when you're going to end up kinking the vent and create an issue in the dryer or the dryer vent. So that's just my opinion. If you have any other opinions, just leave it in the comments down below. And at this point, I'm just putting this part of the pipe, this part of the vent, and the actual metal vent that goes towards outside. I believe this hard vent pipe is aluminum, and the one that goes towards outside the house is metal. So aluminum and metal. But like I said, this is the best material. Again, like I said before, but I don't like it because most of the time I find out this pipe is always kink and creating the dryer to not ventilate well towards outside, and then creates an issue with the thermostats, and then you need to do another repair. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.